If you thought Ghibli-style images were the only cool thing you could make with ChatGPT and AI, oh boy, you're missing out on a whole multiverse of styles. Today I'm showing you not just one, but 10 mind-blowing styles you can create right now, even if you're a total beginner. And yes, we'll show you exactly where to upload your photo, what prompt to use, and how to get those jaw-dropping results. Let's go. Style 1. Studio Ghibli. Alright, you already know this one. It's dreamy, pastel, magical Ghibli vibes. Use this prompt. Convert my image into a Studio Ghibli-inspired scene. Soft pastel colors, magical atmosphere. Upload your image, drop the prompt, and boom. You look like you just walked out of Spirited Away. Me, trying not to cry, because this looks better than my childhood photos. Style 2. Cyberpunk. Okay, now flip the vibe. Turn my image into a cyberpunk character. Guys, the neon lights, the glowing implants, the rainy city. This is literally Blade Runner meets GTA. Why do I look like I'm about to hack the planet?
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Style 3. Royal oil painting. Ever wanted to look like you were born to wear a crown? Prompt. Make my image look like a 17th century royal oil painting. Upload. I suddenly feel like I need servants and a castle. Also me. My queen, your Uber has arrived. Style 4. Dark fantasy warrior. Okay, now things are getting intense. Transform my image into a dark fantasy warrior. Glowing eyes? Check. Armor? Check. Epic lighting? Double check. I look like I just defeated 7 dragons and didn't even break a sweat. Plot twist. I can't even open tight jar lids. Style 5. Pixar 3D. Alright, time to look like a Disney main character. Convert my image into a Pixar-style 3D cartoon. You guys, I've never looked cuter. This style will give you instant main character energy. Style 6. Children's storybook. Next up, something super wholesome. Turn my image into a children's storybook illustration. Soft colors, fluffy clouds, smiley vibes. This one just feels safe. Like I belong in a bedtime story. Also me, crying because I miss kindergarten. Style 7. Van Gogh painting. Time to get artsy. Prompt. Recreate my image in the style of Vincent van Gogh. The swirls, the bold colors, the brushstrokes. It's chaos and beauty in one frame. Now I finally get why people stare at paintings in silence. Style 8. Video game character. Fortnite or GTA. Okay, gamers, your time to shine. Prompt. Convert my image into a stylized video game character. Sharp outlines, bold style. I look like I'm about to drop into Battle Royale or star in GTA 6. Me, holding a frying pan. I fear no man. Style 9. Anime character. You knew it was coming. Prompt. Turn my image into an anime character. Big shiny eyes, clean lines, background drama. My image is basically a whole anime opening now. Just waiting for that one sad piano music in the background. Style 10. Renaissance painting. Last one. Total classic. Prompt. Make my image look like a Renaissance-era portrait. Upload and boom. I look like someone who lived in the 1500s and still knew how to slay. Also, my face says, I own land and 12 goats. What if I told you that your AI-generated images could actually talk?
Yup, you heard that right. With Heijen AI, you can bring your characters to life like never before. Whether it's a dreamy Ghibli-style illustration, a futuristic cyberpunk portrait, or a minimal modern look, you can turn any character into a talking avatar, complete with lip syncing and real voiceovers.
Here's how to do it step by step. Start by uploading your AI-generated image to Heijen. You can use illustrations, portraits, or even photos. Heijen will turn them into animated avatars. Next, write or paste the dialogue you want your avatar to speak. This could be a fun line, a powerful quote, or even a full storytelling script your call. Now comes the fun part. Pick a voice that fits your character. HeyGen offers a wide range of voice options with different tones, accents, and styles. You can even adjust the speed and pitch. Click Generate and let HeyGen work its magic. It will detect the facial structure of your image, sync the lips perfectly to your script, and create a smooth, natural-looking talking animation. No editing skills needed. No fancy software. Just a little creativity plus HeyGen AI. So, which style are you trying first? Ghibli, Cyberpunk, modern anime? Drop your fave in the comments, and let's see what magic you create. And hey, if you want more awesome AI tutorials like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a creative moment. Catch you soon with more AI goodness.